Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x divided by x2 plus 1 dx. Okay, you can solve this integral using the substitution rule. So if you define x2 plus 1 as u, and if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, that will be 2x dx will be equal to du. Okay, derivative of 1 is equal to 0, derivative of x2 is equal to 2x. Okay, 2x dx is equal to du. Okay, so therefore you can conclude here x dx is equal to 1 divided by 2 times du. Okay, so now if you substitute these two expressions into this integral, you can write this integral as, instead of x dx, I simply write 1 divided by 2 times du. So 1 divided by 2 is a constant, so I take it out of the integral, du, okay, divided by, instead of x2 plus 1, I write u. Therefore, this will be equal to 1 divided by 2 times, and we know that the integral of du over u is equal to ln u plus c, that is the constant of the integral. So all you need to do is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which is x2 plus 1. Therefore, this will be equal to 1 divided by 2 times ln x2 plus 1 plus c, that's the constant of the integral. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe in this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.